In this video, I'll show you how to fix Disney Plus keeps buffering or freezing. Now, we're going to rule out the first thing that Disney and pretty much everybody would want to say is, get better internet, your internet's bad. There are people with insane internet speeds who are experiencing the exact same problem with Disney Plus. But to check and make sure that it is not your internet, go to another streaming service, or if you don't have another streaming service, go to YouTube. That's free. Try and stream something. Heck, try and stream something in high quality, 1080p and up. And if that streams just fine, then it's definitely not your internet. What more likely seems to be the problem is, especially for those who use Android TV, is that Disney Plus is just not very well optimized for Android TV. And yes, everyone is not going to have the same experience, different manufacturers, different parts on smart TVs, right? The only advice that Disney Plus actually gives is to turn off your device and turn it back on. Some things that I would say is, especially if you're on an LG TV, is to make sure your date and time are set correctly. Again, I doubt this is going to be a fix for you, but give it a try. And if you are even on YouTube experiencing slow or buggy streams, try restarting your router. That could also help. But unfortunately, there is just no concrete fix to this, and it is more likely that this is a Disney Plus issue and not a you issue. So I know, unfortunately, that wasn't very helpful, but again, when the problem is not really on your side, there's not much you can do about it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.